how to get unbanned from communication features on PS5. So there are two reasons why you might be getting restricted. The first one you can solve by going into the settings and then selecting family and parental controls. Now right here you want to click on PS5 console restrictions and just enter the passcode. It's going to be default for me, so that is just going to be 4 zeros like this. And now what you want to do is to toggle this temporarily disable PS5 console restrictions, and you will temporarily disable this. Okay, so that's going to be the first method. If you're still getting restricted, then it means that you have been banned. So in order to fix that, you want to go to Google on your phone and search for appeal PS5 suspension and click on the first link that pops up right here. Now you will see the option for appeals, so click on appeals, and here if you are suspended for account debt, you can select that option, or you can also appeal a permanent suspension by clicking on this button here. Now you want to go and scroll all the way down until you see appeal a permanent suspension. You will click on it. It's going to ask you to sign into your account, and then you will have to contact support and explain why the restriction was a mistake. So I hope this video helps you out. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.